So now we have 6 targets set up, and we can either run through some of the time drills, and we're going to let's go through the timing, and then we'll change some settings. So we have basic, non-time. That means we can just shoot. It's not timing the shots, the splits. Immediate start basically means that as soon as I hit that, it's going to start recording the hits. So if I hit here right away, as soon as I hit here, it's going right away. So that someone would have to be running the computer, or I'd have a stop feature, which I'll show you, that would actually get the target ready to go. So I'll stop here. The next one would be random start. This would be a good one if I'm shooting by myself. I want to hit that, get into position, and it's going to give me a random time to get up there and start shooting at the targets. Then we go down to random time with par. So let's go back to the par time. Let's say that I'm looking for let's say a 2-second time on a certain number of targets. So in the par time, basically when I hit it, you're going to hear it start, then it's going to go for 2 seconds, then it's done. So that gives me a chance to work my drills. So I'm working for certain par times, I can set my targets up, go through them, and come back and compare the hits. So let's just try a random par time, and I'll put a couple rounds on and we'll look at some of the times. Now, you notice that running back to the computer back and forth, it makes it difficult sometimes to get into position. So I'm going to show you a little trick. I'm going to come up here to the targets, and I'm going to go to the target select, and I'm going to go to number 6 target. Number 6 target, I'm going to make it a special purpose. So as we look on the screen, special purpose, right now it's selecting none. I'm going to go down and I'm going to set it to clear and continue shooting. That's a real time saver because it allows me to do drills over and over, and I can have the students restart them from wherever they're at. So we'll close that. All the other targets are now basically normal, but as you look here, you can see that this target right here, number 6, right, has changed. So this is now hatched. That resets the timer and gets it ready to go. So that's a big benefit on getting started quickly. So that's one advantage to using that. So let me erase this, and we'll go through some time. So now I can step up, and all I'll do is I'll shoot target number 6, and it's going to say, I'm ready to begin. It's going to be a random shot, and I'm just going to put some rounds on the targets. We'll look at the split. So I'll start first with the shot on number 6. You can hear it. It's ready to go. Right, so I come up. Right, so in 2 seconds, right, it's telling me a couple things, right? So now it's going through, it's breaking down not only the times, the splits, but also what target I'm shooting. So I had shots on target 2, 2, and then 1, 1. So you can break it down, especially if you're trying to do drills, on which one you're hitting.